water soluble or oil soluble titanium dioxide. When I received my package of titanium dioxide, it was in a plastic bag. I just found the quickest thing to put it in, and at the time it was an old jar that I had repurposed into the soap shop. So I think it was like a Jif peanut butter jar. But I'd like to get away from that and make something that's a little more user-friendly, so to speak. So I'm preparing for the next batch of soap, and as you can see, I have some of my ingredients here out front. What I have is some marbles in a little container. Love you to the moon and back, that's for sure. And I have a container. It's one of the, you know, the mustard and ketchup containers. I've modified it a bit so that the opening is a little larger. I've cut the tip off some. And this is some spring water. The titanium dioxide that I use is water soluble, but you do have to mix it up rather good. So I'm going to just take several marbles. I have 4 white ones, and I'm going to place them in here, and then I am going to go ahead and mix up some of my titanium dioxide, at least enough for the week, I would say. And this way, when I am making soaps, it's just a matter of shaking this bottle up really good and mixing it. Don't ask me how much I just put in there, because I'm eyeballing it here, and I'll know the consistency that I want once I get this top on and get to shake it some. And the idea is that you would hold it and give it a good shake, and I can check it out a little, and it looks pretty good to me. I put quite a bit in there, so I mean, I can shake it up from time to time. Now you have to think that we're working with oils, right? So I mean, I put quite a bit in there. I would say that if this is something that you're considering doing, I mean, just work with the recipe. The idea was just to communicate to you that it's a tool that you can create to use to work with titanium dioxide. I'm going to add just a few more scoops of it. And once again, the idea is to have a container readily available, but something that will help it to mix, and that's what those marbles do. Helps to break up those clumps. And voila! I'm in the process of making some soap, so I'm just getting ready, and I think this will work. So I hope this little tip or trick helps you out. If your kids have marbles, take a few of them and put them in your soap shop and make yourself a nice tool to work with your titanium dioxide. And it's always available, readily accessible. I think I will go through this in maybe a week's time. So thanks for watching. I hope this was beneficial for you. As always, be blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye.